How to address key pain points of private cloud platforms: difficult data backup, frequent storage scaling, and slow hard disk failure handling. Tencent Cloud Enterprise has fully upgraded its platform O&M capabilities with 3 major features solving business data backup and storage O&M challenges. New Backup Recovery Center, supporting instant periodic backup and fast recovery to ensure data security. GUI-based scaling for cloud block storage pools, enabling efficient node onboarding and instant relief of capacity pressure. Visual replacement of faulty physical disks with simplified processes and no complex operations required. These 3 capabilities feature full process visualization and low threshold operation, greatly reducing O&M costs and ensuring stable business operation. I will be covering 3 parts: data backup, cloud block storage pool expansion, and cloud block storage physical disk fault replacement. First, let's look at business data backup. Tencent Cloud Enterprise has newly launched the Backup Recovery Center product, designed for backing up and recovering tenant resource data. We will demonstrate its data backup capability using cloud object storage. Log into the Tencent Cloud Enterprise tenant console, go to the Cloud Object Storage page, click Bucket, locate a bucket, and view its details. On the file list page, there is a file named test.txt. Then go to the Backup Recovery Center page. All cloud products that support backup are displayed here. Click Host Backup and Protected Instance. This tool checks the list of instances that are already protected. Click Create Backup. Add the storage bucket you want to backup. Set the backup policy to execute now or periodic backup at the backup name. On the Protected Instance list page, the newly added bucket is displayed. Locate Host Backup and click Backup List. You can see the created backup task and the backup progress. Refresh the page. Once the backup status changes to all successful, we will simulate a data loss scenario to demonstrate the recovery capability. Go back to the Details page of the target bucket under the Cloud Object Storage page. Locate the test.txt file and delete it. The bucket will now be empty. Return to the Bucket List page and create a bucket for recovery. Go back to Backup Recovery Center and click Close Backup and Backup List. Select the most recent backup task and click Restore. Select the target closed bucket and click OK. You can now see the recovery progress. After the recovery is complete, go back to the Detail page of the target bucket under the Cloud Object Storage page. Refresh the page on the File List page. The deleted test.txt file has been successfully restored. Probing the backup and recovery function is effective. Next, I'd like to walk you through the hands-on process of expanding a cloud block storage pool. While checking the cloud block storage capacity, ops personnel identify that the cloud disk storage pool in a certain ASIN region has insufficient resources. Scaling out is required to avoid affecting existing cloud disk scale-out and new purchases for customers. In this AZ, the operations team initiates a scale-out request for the resource pool. After nodes are procured, they will scale out the resource pool on the Cloud Block Storage console. Migrate to the Cloud Block Storage page. Choose Cluster Management and Storage Pool Cluster. Locate the storage pool that requires scale-out. On the Details page, you can see its consumed capacity reaches 85%. Go to the Storage Pool Details page. Click the Node Info tab and click Activate in the Storage Node area. Click Add Group Node and click Select IP addresses from the resource pool. Search for the prepared host IP addresses. Select the 3 returned nodes and click OK. Click OK to initiate the task. Choose Task Management and Cluster Ops task on this page. You can see the task Activate cell is running. On the Clustered Ops task page, you will see that the task status changes to Task Completed. Go back to the storage pool cluster page, locate the target cluster, and go to its details page. Click the Node Info tab. The 3 newly deployed nodes now appear in the storage pool list. Go back to the storage pool cluster page. Verify that the consumed capacity of the pool has decreased from 85% to 42%, confirming the successful scale-out. Finally, I'd like to share with you the hands-on process of replacing a faulty physical disk in Cloud Block Storage. The storage product delivers GUI-based O&M capabilities, enabling administrators to centrally manage cloud disk, storage clusters, and storage nodes via the GUI. Let's use a Cloud Block Storage physical disk failure as an example to demonstrate the storage product troubleshooting process. When the cell abnormality alarm is detected, Ops personnel can log in to the Tencent Cloud Enterprise Operations Console and choose Cloud Block Storage, Event Query, and Cluster Event. Search for 10.29.1.156 to locate all events related to the target storage pool. Then check that the event type is Diskette 8-bit EL0 class DID. Click the storage pool ID and go to the cluster details page. Click the Disk Group Details tab and locate failed cache disks. Step 1. Initiate the replacement by clicking Replace. In the display dialog box, if the disk has been faulty for less than 24 hours, set the weather data migration parameter to No, and click OK and confirm to start the replacement. And click Confirm. Step 2. On the physical disk replacement task page under Task Management, check the disk information such as the drive letter and click Confirm Disk Replacement. Step 3. Contact the data center team to have the physical disk replaced. Step 4. Log into the server and check the new disk information such as the disk WWN and drive letter. On the physical disk replacement task page under Task Management, click for New Disk Information. After a few minutes, the replacement is complete, and the task status changes to Task Completed. This is the brand new upgrade of Tencent Cloud Enterprise Platform O&M covering data backup and storage capabilities. For those interested, you may click the details link below too. Follow the Tencent Cloud Enterprise International website or download the industry's first VMware migration and upgrade guide white paper for free. Or follow the Tencent Cloud channel as we continue to unbox the latest Tencent Cloud product for you.